Hey everyone, this is Philip Gross with the Motor Masters. Just making sure the video is on, so that's why I'm doing a little more of a close-up. I'm over here at a beautiful home in Wellington, Florida. This is our, we have our shop down in West Palm Beach, Florida. So I wanted to drive this Grand Wagoneer over and show you this beautiful view here. So I'm gonna switch it back over to and just show you this beautiful piece of property. This is I think it's about a 14,000 square foot home. It's actually for sale if anybody wants it. If you got 16 million, you can have it. It sits on 6 acres. But anyway, just want to show you this beautiful 1990 Jeep Grand Wagoneer we restored. Just want to go over everything. Did brand new paint body, new wood grain. This actually used to be gold and it's been changed to hunter green. So we just put new lug nuts on those wheels. But I just wanted to go over everything and show you. Here's something odd that you don't see too often is dual gas tanks. So this is a beautiful Grand Wagoneer that we did. Just want to go over here to show you everything. And we put in a brand new rebuilt AMC 360 engine with fuel injection, with all new parts, aluminum cross-flow radiator, air conditioning components, distributor. Unfortunately, the customer did not want to add fuel injection, so it has a carburetor. And we put hood insulation on it. And one thing that we did, it's kind of neat, is we did custom seat inserts, and headliner with the sun visors. Beautiful. And we also added black seat belts. Make it kind of stand out. Got them in over here. And then we also added WeatherTech. She wanted a WeatherTech. This couple resides in upstate New York. We got to put in new carpet as well. So we redid all the seats here. The vinyl on this is unbelievable. Got a little sweat on there because it's like 95 degrees. It's like a sauna here in South Florida. And that right there is actually their temporary tag until they get a new one. Then we had to put the spare tire on up here for everything to work. So I just want to show you how the interior looked. Unfortunately, there is no radio. The customer did not want to have us install one, which is odd, but hey, it's their choice. Guess they'll just do it when they get to enjoy driving it and headed back to wherever they're going to up in New York. I think they're actually headed to Georgia as well, and they can probably get it done there. So this really came out nice. So I wanted to start up the engine here so you can hear it. There we go. Took a little bit because it's got a carb. Got to hit the gas pedal. But this thing runs really good. We also had the transmission, transfer case, and front rear differential serviced. Unfortunately, it will need a transmission rebuild down the road because my transmission guy said there is metal pieces coming out, but I asked the customer if they want it done. They said no, because it's good for now. So like they say, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. So for now, we're fine. But it will need a transmission rebuild at some point. hood here. Actually, I'm gonna do that up, but I'm gonna close the door. Just want to get another beautiful view here of this Wagoneer. Went from gold to hunter green. So folks, that is basically the ins and outs of this restoration. Also want to point out the body was taken off and the frame was sandblasted, clean, powder coated, and all that good stuff. I'll try to get underneath here and look. You can tell it's kind of dirty, but I don't have access to a lift, but you'll see the pictures as we post. Try to get the roof up here too. So let me shut the hood here. Let you get a good look at that. And that's it. So it's September 16th, 2022. Another beautiful restoration by the Motor Masters of a Jeep Grand Wagoneer. This will be on YouTube, and we hope you enjoy it. And this was done at our South Florida shop in West Palm Beach, Florida. Thank you.